Hey, what is up, guys? Today I will be showing you my new car I've been working on that I worked really hard on, and I'm not giving away. Just kidding, I'm giving it away. Of course I am. I give everything I do away. Yeah, it's pretty awful though, but it can probably go over terrain. I made this one actually inspired. It doesn't sound right that I completely made a knockoff of the cars from this game, except just worst. Because it doesn't turn fast enough. I'll fix that before I start giving it to people. Like, turn. I think I need the front wheels to be, like, less grippy. Like, let's move the front wheels. Oh, great, I'm debugging this thing in a video. I shouldn't be. Okay, it's like a... okay, wait. Change the friction to 0. Actually, we need, like, 0.7 or 8. Yeah, 8 works. There we go, that works a lot awful. Anyways, this is good because you can go up hills like this, like in Jailbreak. Very good car. I gotta fix the turning though. I'll just make it like really, like, easy to turn. Like you press D and you go. Right now you gotta like do this to turn. It's like a dancing car. Boo 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 boo. Anyways. So yeah, that's it. And if you would like it, I'm fine. And if you would like this car model, then, I will probably be making a video on it. It might not be anytime soon. Tomorrow's my last day until I have to go to school. So, if you want it, make sure to subscribe to it and turn on the notifications. And then, right when I make the video, you can unsubscribe and turn off the notifications, so you can find out when I get it. Yes. Alright, well, and that is literally it. There you go. I'm gonna fix the turning. And yeah, car will be out. I'm hoping to get the video out by tomorrow, but I might have to wait a bit. Because I know tomorrow I'm gonna be pretty busy. I've been busy every day of my life lately. I seriously can't get a break. What? Man, I'm looking for, I had a car somewhere in these folders. Whatever. It had no suspension though. Yeah, so that's it. Wow, this will be a 2-minute video. I have to do something else. Might as well. So if you would like to, I'll tell you the basics on how it works then. It has to be at least 7 minutes. Okay. Right here we have this hooked up to another one up here, and there's a cylinder thingy, and that happens to all of them, which goes from the thing to the motors, goes to there. Probably doing the worst job explaining. And then there's a spring, and I welded everything together. That's what I did. I made it, and I tuned it a little bit. Yeah, 1 minute. I'm gonna go fix the turning. Alrighty, I just went in and tuned it a little better. Maybe it'll work now. Okay. Ugh! No, it won't work better. Hey, it turns. Alright, once again, I'm gonna go turn the speed down a little. Alright, the speed was at 120, now it's at 50. It still turns too fast. Dancing card V2. Okay. Turn it down a little more. Alright, turn speed is now down to 10. It was at 120, now it's at 50, and then it turned to 10 now. Just now at 10. Let's see how fast it turns. Oh my god, why is it so fast? Like, look at that. That turns so quickly. 1 second, let's go change the body velocity is what I'm using to turn it. Let's go change this thing to... Oh, I have to do it in the server, that's right. Oh man, stupid filter I enabled. Sometimes I wish it didn't exist. Wish those hackers would stop hacking. There we go. That works awfully. Okay, maybe up a couple. Okay, how about we do 9995? Ugh, still way too fast. Okay, 9993. Still too fast. I'm just gonna do it here. Maybe it'll work. 9. Okay, yeah, it doesn't work because it's on server. 9991. What? Every time you go above 999, it like seriously just shout 999.5. Oh, look at that! I flipped it. Nice. Let's add a flip button. I actually don't know how to do a flip button. Huh. Oh, who would have known it was a body gyro or whatever? Let's just add that to the script. Let's see if we can check. Trying to think how I can do this. I'll just make it for now. Later I'll add keybinds. For now, if you just click the body, I'm gonna make it do it. So, script, click detector, paste. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Script.parent.click-detector.mouse click. I did not steal from someone's model. No, that was me. You saw nothing. Function player. You can ban the player when they click something. I did not steal this from anyone. Eh. Made that complete myself. I'm not lazy. I did it myself. Boom. Now let's go flip this thing. Wait a minute. What? Oh, I did not change it in here. Why are you in here? I just realized someone's behind me. That scared me. I was like sitting there. I just hear the chair going backwards and like, what? Oh, that scared me. I didn't even realize he was in here. That really, like, legitimately scared me. There we go. Very good tuning. Let's try to go up here. So this is supposedly gonna flip me. Oh yeah, so did I ever say this is how jailbreak card work? Oh good, it's been 8 minutes. Now if you watch till now, then you're a pro at everything. Because I need watch hours, apparently. So I can start wasting your Robux on group funds and giving it to people. That sounds like a stupid idea. I'll do it anyways. I also need a new mic stand, so... Okay, well that's it. Goodbye. Oh wait, I almost forgot one thing.